Come today in front of me HUAWEI Nova 9 EC, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll here to the sounds and vibration. Now just here you'll see the notification tone section. Click here and just by select one from these available sounds, you can select the sound which you like, for example this one. Now just go back and here you can see the changes that we just successfully changed our notification sound. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.